Good morning, all. Welcome to Starving TV. Today, we are going to see how we can post a job in Facebook. So, first of all, we should have a Facebook page for this. Okay, we usually post jobs from Facebook page. Okay, so in Facebook page, you can see the home page. In homepage, you can see create live event offer and job tab. Okay, so and it normally needs around 2000 likes for getting the job option, but sometimes when you have reaching some specified criteria, then also the job option will come. Okay, so when you get this job option, you can just click on, I will show you once again the job from here. Okay, and you can also take it from jobs, home jobs here, the left hand corner of your page. Okay, so in jobs, when you click on left hand corner, you will get this create job option, and you can give your job title here, sales officer. I am giving sales officer, and you can give the location, preferred location. I am giving Kottayam. And you can give a salary range. I am just giving 15,000. Job description. I'm just putting degree. You can give a detailed job description when you are giving. I'll put degree, PG, young dynamic candidate with two-wheeler. Okay. And scrolling down, here you have an option to add a photo and add question. You can add question if you want any specific questions to the candidate, and you can give your mail ID for receiving mails to your mail directly. So you can click post jobs for posting the job. I'm not posting this job, I'm just showing you. You can see the preview in left hand corner. My job will appear like this. So apply now. And when candidates are applying for this job, for getting the job option, you have to make live your message option, because on inbox only you are getting all the applications. So you have to turn on your message option, and in this inbox you can see how the job vacancies applications I'm getting applications like this. So view application, I'm viewing my application. See, again in left hand corner, create job applications assistant. You can see the various vacancies we are having, the openings, and how that the applications will appear for us. Okay, and this is how we are creating a job opportunity or posting a job in Facebook. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you if you have an active page and active Facebook account. And if you want to get more knowledge about recruiting, how to recruit, how to job posting, job search engines, LinkedIn, like platforms, and how to get a candidate and how to call him, how to make a company as a client. All these informations are included in our training program, Starving Recruitment Training Program. The batch 2 will start in June. If you want to get an admission for that, you can mail to us at starvinghr@gmail.com. I will give the all descriptions in the description area of this video. And if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Starving TV, and you can press the bell button for getting more notification. And thank you for listening.